Hello everyone. Today here we have Fiscal Printer RP80, which you can often see as a component of point-of-sale solution, intended for bills print. Let's explore it together. In the box we can see micro SD memory card, some documentation and certificates, also CD with driver, external display and fiscal printer, which is the main interest of this video, power cable and USB cable. Presented printer is version with fiscal module, what is declared by fiscal label located. The device has built-in thermal printer. Due to absence of moving components, it ensures reliable and fast billing process. Light indicator on the left side signalize the necessity of changing the tape, which is really fast and easy for everyone. Tape size of 80 mm provides more space for information and shorter bills. When we look at the back side of printer, we can find here several ports. Now we will explain their functions. Port on the right side is for power supply, and next to it is the port for connecting the cash drawer. Under is two ports for LAN and USB port for connect fiscal printer to the computer. On the right side of device is keyboard, which helps us to make device tests or interval closes. Buttons are large, clear with easily understandable symbols. On the same side is slot for micro SD card. Turn button is on the left side. The alphanumerical customer display provides great readability. Additionally, the removable display is positioned next to the printer in the way that it forms a compact device. Main function printing is really fast. Printer also automatically cut the tape. Okay, so this was Fiscal Printer RP80. You can buy fiscal or non-fiscal version and version without external display. You can find various accessories for printer on ELCOM website. Thank you so much for watching, and we are looking forward to meet you in our next videos.